Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Walter, an author of Recovering from Mental Illness blog at HealthyPlace. Today I'm going to speak on rebuilding your finances after gambling addiction. Gambling addiction can really leave you in a very bad place financially. In my case, I lost my savings and I incurred a lot of debt from family, friends, and other people. The first step that I took towards rebuilding my finances was I made a list of all my debts. This can help one make a realistic picture of where they really are financially. I'll go ahead and share other strategies that help me through. One should come up with a realistic budget. This budget should be between one's income versus their expenses. Also, one should develop a plan for payment. Here, importantly, one should give more attention to the high interest debts and large debts. It also goes without saying that one should cut off unnecessary expenses and avoid new debts. Then one should consider additional income. Additional income means more money, and more money gives ease in payment of debts. And last but not least, one should celebrate their small wins. This motivates one, hence consistency in payment of debts. Rebuilding your finances after gambling addiction is not quite easy, and is not a journey that can happen overnight. One should be consistent in applying these strategies and in order to build a bright financial future for themselves. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.